Morning people, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're over here in the nursery. And this little nuke that we're going to look at here, we took from 1012, which is this double deep nuke over here that we're going to look at today and probably put it in the 8 frames. But right now this one is this number is 1012 and a half. And we started it on the on the 5th of this month. So they should have eggs now, but I'm not sure. So we're going to look at it and find out. Here we go. Okay, this isn't a super here. This is just a cover. For my stores and stuff, which they've emptied out. Okay. This was empty. Okay. Put my glasses on. But it's got 5 frames. We took it from 1012 over here. So we're going to look at it. Okay, they're building out the foundation. But they're not finished yet because they don't need that room. We're just going to put that over there. Okay, this one has some brood on it, some nectar, some honey. Girl bringing in pollen, which is a good sign. This one over here has the same thing. Looking good. It has a screen bottom with a tray underneath it. When I tell you need to start your nukes with a lot of bees, or start your splits with a lot of bees so they can make queen, they need bees and everything else. This frame right here was probably filled up wall to wall with brood. It hatched out, which gave us more bees. This one here's got some nectar.
You've got mail.
Got some nectar, some drones. Have a little queen cup on it, which I don't think is any good because it's too old for them to be making queens from new. But it looks like that's what they're doing. Okay. Check this next one here. Okay, this one has 1 capped queen cell, some brood, honey, and nectar. And there's their capped queen cell. Okay, this one here has queen cells on it. There's one here. There's one right here. These are capped. And they're good looking queen cells. And then it has one here and one down here. So I'm gonna have to back check my time and find out what, or when I need to remove those queen cells we don't need and find me a place I can put them. And we started another split yesterday, or a nuke yesterday from number 300 yard, but y'all saw it. Now you didn't see that because I spent an hour on that video and didn't have any, on that hive, and didn't have any sound to it. This one here has some honey, some nectar, a little pollen. And that's it. No, that's not a queen cell down here on the bottom. Here. It's not a queen cell, that's just a glob. So we're going to put them back in and feed them. And those hatchet, today's the 17th. Takes 16 days for a queen to hatch. Started this on the 5th, so that means the eggs was laid on the 3rd, 2nd or 3rd. So we got about what, 2 days? 1 day? I'll come back out later today in the morning. But that's how we make nukes around here, people. Come all back together. And I hope the volume in this one works, but yesterday it was hot. Real hot. We're talking about heat index in the hundreds. We're going to put this back on. We're going to leave them one of these that we're going to put water in. Little Pepsi Cola bottle cut. Dog is upset right now because she's in a short leash. Which means she went from 14 or 16 to, okay, this one's food. And this one's water. We got an armadillo or something that lives underneath the wood pile in the carport. There's some dirt. And dog thinks she's supposed to get it. Which I wish she would. Put pine straw in here in both of these so they don't drown. And they've got water for the babies, or even water for them, because there's not that many bees in here, so they need some help. We don't have much of a honey flow right now anyway. Most of our pollen is dried up because of all this heat we ain't had rain in a long time, people. It's come up to us and then quit. But that's it. Oh, no, it ain't it. We got the rest of it over here. Give them some pollen. so they can feed the babies. And that's it, people. And we're going to call this hive here, how about 412? We'll call this one 412. Nah. Call it 180. This will be 180. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. You see what's doing that, and this is the way how we make splits. And everything looks pretty good. Looks like the speaker's working now. So we'll be taking it in the house in a few minutes and getting it set up. Y'all have a great day. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Be careful out there this weekend. And we'll talk to you later. This week.